for the PBMA Weekly Update, hosted by Mrs. Cooper.
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of May 2nd, 2025. Here are some upcoming events. Saturday, May 3rd is our next open house for students who are new to PBMA. 10 o'clock a.m. at our elementary campus and 11 o'clock a.m. at our secondary campus. Please notify any friends or family who want to find out more about PBMA. Teacher Appreciation Week is coming next week. The dates are Monday, May 5th until Friday, May 9th. If you'd like to make a contribution, please give an envelope to either front desk for me or Mr. Andrew Pont. We will show our teachers lots of love and appreciation with breakfasts, lunches, and other surprises. Saturday, May 10th is our junior-senior prom at the West Palm Beach Marriott. Senior graduation is May 20th and middle school moving up ceremony is May 28th. Both are at 6 o'clock p.m. and they're both at Santa Lucia's High School. May 22nd is the 8th grade celebration trip to Rapids Water Park. Permission slips are available in the front office. May 23rd is 5th grade and kindergarten moving up ceremonies at the elementary campus. 8:30 a.m. for Miss Hill and Mr. Allen, 9:15 a.m. for Doc and Mr. Mack. 10 o'clock a.m. is Miss McKnight and Miss Racker's kindergartners, and 10:45 will be Miss Owens, Miss Hepburn, and Miss McCall's kindergartners. May 26th, no school for Memorial Day. May 30th, the last day of school. Hooray! Please save the date for Form Day. Form Day will be July 15th, 9 a.m. until 1:30 p.m. at both campuses. On Form Day, families sign up for buses, aftercare, pay the $25 STEAM fee, and fill out other important documents. Please make every effort to stop by. Yearbooks are still on sale. The elementary campus will even have a yearbook signing party on Thursday, May 22nd, during the school day.
It's time to dive in with Andrew Pond and meet the shirt crew.
Thanks, Dylan. Hey guys, Andrew Pond here, and today I'm with a special guest. Nah, he's not a guest, it's Mr. Perry, our secondary principal. We're here to talk about something very serious. That's the 8th grade moving up ceremony and the high school graduation. So, parents and legal guardians of our 8th grade students, what happened? Where are you? I gave you the deadline last Monday to get those pictures in. To date, we only have pictures of like maybe 10 of the 90 8th grade students. We would like to make a video, so please, we will give you until next Monday. Please get those pictures to us so we can have a proper pre-ceremony video for our 8th grade class. Concerning our seniors, senior checkout day is May 16th. Some of the seniors have obligations out there with either us or the district or both. You need to take care of those before we finish checkout and give you everything that you need for graduation. Mr. Perry, did I forget anything?
You summed it up just well.
All right, guys, we will see you next week for another Dive In with Andrew Pont and Meet the Shark Crew.
This week in STEM, kindergarten through 2nd grade students built a raft out of Legos and created a simple machine. Grades 3 to 4 improved a program to meet a specific need by building and coating a big bus. 5th grade continued practicing for the science tests by answering Jeopardy questions based on matter. In elementary art, we're celebrating Haitian Heritage Month. The students learned about this beautiful and unique culture. Kindergarten and 1st graders made tissue paper Haitian flags. Second and 3rd grade created Haitian flag lanterns. And 4th and 5th graders decorated Haitian geckos. Our kindergartners raised caterpillars into beautiful butterflies and then went on a great field trip to Meadows Park to set them free. The children had a wonderful day playing on the playground and participating in many fun activities. PBMA once again participated in the annual Plywood Regatta. During this two-day event, students built a boat from 3 sheets of plywood and zip ties using one power tool. On Saturday, they built a boat, and on Sunday, the boat is raced. Our students won the 2025 Courage and Perseverance Award. Our materials were sponsored by Diesel Services, and our mentors were Aldo Mija from Safe Harbor and Miss Azura. We are so proud of our students, Haley Robeson, Madison Forrester, and Isaiah Russell. There were 3 races, and we finished in 1st, 2nd, or 3rd place. We had the smallest crew, and our boat never sank. The seniors went to Grad Bash at Universal Studios in Orlando last Friday night. The parks hosted students from Florida and a few other states for a seniors-only event until 2 a.m. Our seniors had a blast celebrating one last trip together before graduation.
Coach Storkel here. The PBMA boys flag football team took 2nd place in the Palm Beach County Flag Football Tournament on Saturday. The Sharks went 4-2 on the day and came away with the 2nd place trophy. A barbecue and a good time was had by all. Go Sharks, be great.
And finally, here are pictures and videos of our elementary testing pep rally. You're going to ace the test, Sharks. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.